Hey, Almond. Hey, Almond. Okay, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. If you're new to this channel or you see my past videos, pretty much all I have done so far is camping stuff and hiking stuff, which will be similar to today, but it is December 5th and Christmas is coming up, and so I need to get my mom a present, and what I normally get her is she always asks for pictures because she loves like memories and sentimental things, and so I normally go out and take pictures with the camera I'm filming on right now of me with Atlas, because I've had Atlas almost 2 years now, but this year I wanted to make it a little bit more special, so I went ahead and hired a professional photographer to have a photo session with me, Atlas, and Kato, because it's Kato's first Christmas with me, and I kind of just wanted to document, document and capture the memories of him being a puppy. Also, just the goal of this channel and making these videos was never to, get X amount of views or, be famous or anything like that. The reason I make these videos and post them is because I want these memories to be captured so that, 10 years from now when I have my own real children, and Atlas and Kato are too old to go out and, when Atlas is too old to hike, when Kato is too old to, get up out of bed in the morning, those are the days when I'm going to want these videos so that I can look back and cherish the memories I had with them while they were still active, to be able to tell my kids, hey, look, to show them these videos and be like, hey, look at these dogs I used to own. These were your dad's best friend at the time, and I know that there'll be other dogs to come down the road, but life, we get such a finite amount of time in this world, and obviously there's no stopping time from moving forward. So I just want to do the best I can to capture the memories that I have with, Atlas and Kato, just to look back on and to cherish those memories. So today's video is just going to be kind of following me and the boys as we go along. We're going hiking. We're going to do a sunset hike to get the photo shoot, and that's later tonight, but first, every Sunday, me and Atlas, we go to the dog park, and Kato is still too young to go to the dog park. He hasn't had his final round of parvo shots to prevent him, or to make sure that he's safe and his immune system's safe, so I'm not taking Kato because he could get parvo from the grass there or something like that. So me and Atlas will be going. I'll be picking up my friend Matt, and we'll be taking his German Shepherd named Kobe. Kobe's a young German Shepherd. He's, I think, 6 or 7 months old now. So I've been helping Matt do some training with him as well while we're at the dog park. But yeah, me and Atlas, it's a weekly venture every single Sunday. It's like known throughout all my friends. It's dog park day, so we're gonna go there. I might get some clips, get some pictures, and then I'll be coming back and getting ready for the photo shoot with the boy. All right. Okay, come on, Atlas.
There they go.
That's it. Drop. Good. Kobe, sit. 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 All the way, sit. Good boy. Stay. Kobe's definitely gonna get this one because he's at a 20-yard advantage.
He's such a cheater.
Hey, welcome to Starbucks. My name's Steven. How may I help you with that?
Hey, can I get a Trenta iced coffee, but with no ice? And 3 stevia?
We don't have Trenta cups right now.
Oh, I can do, Venti's fine then.
Venti iced coffee with what?
With no ice and 3 stevia.
No ice, 3 stevia.
And then also, I have 2 dogs in the car. Could I get 3 Puppuccinos? And I know that's a lot of whipped cream, so I could pay for it if I need to.
Nah, you're good, dude. I was actually going to ask you if you needed some.
Appreciate it. If you could you put caps on them? That way we don't get mugged in the car.
Yeah, we'll do that. They are big dogs.
Thanks so much.
All right.
Okay, so we're back from the dog park, and I've got 2 Puppuccinos for the boys. This is going to be Cato's first Puppuccino that he gets, and Atlas has had a few in his time. He's frequented Starbucks before, but I figured I'd show me giving Cato's first Puppuccino. I'm going to close Atlas out of the penned area so that he doesn't try to mob Cato while I give him his. Come here. Oh, and Cato's going pee. Here, Bubby. Hey, Cato. Cato, hey. Cato. Bubby, come here. You sit. Good boy. We love that. I'll say this while he's eating this. Cato's at the point in his life right now where he is super cute. And I say this to people all the time, but there's a distinct age in every puppy's life where they make the transition from cute to handsome. And I am absolutely not ready for Cato to switch over from cute to handsome because I don't know, just he is so adorable. And I mean, yeah, dogs, I love handsome dogs. Like Atlas is perfectly handsome, but there's something about this age where I just wish that he would stay this cute forever instead of growing up. Look at Atlas. What's going on, huh? You guys got some whipped cream in there? You got some for me? All right. Okay, and I can't forget Atlas. So, Atlas, come. Off. Huh? Sit. Atlas, sit. Look at that tail. That tail's vibing right now. He's got the milk mustache going. Not a problem in the world. Okay, I'm about 5 minutes out from the trailhead that we're going to be hiking to get pictures. I just want to get this quick video. I've been on the road for almost 2 hours now to get to this destination. It is very foggy out. I don't think we're going to end up being able to see the sunset, but I do think that the fog will make the pictures look really, really cool. And at the very end of this video, I'm going to wait to post this video until he sends me the pictures, and I will put them at the end of this video so that everyone can see those. I don't know how many videos I'm going to take while hiking. Probably not a lot at all. I'm going to be more so focused on making sure. I mean, this is like a big Christmas present for my mom, so I want to make sure it turns out good. So I'm going to be focused on like making sure that we do what we came out here to do. So yeah, other than that, I'll show what I can, and I hope you enjoy seeing the final outcome. It's like I tried desperately to break him of it, but oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, Kay. Look at that.
A video?
Yeah.
Sure, I'll do both.